Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix OBS files are being used by the following application: Edge, Discord, Skype, etc. When you are installing OBS, you will see the error indicating which application interferes with the process. When you know this, open the Task Manager from the taskbar. There, select the application that generates the error. Click on End Task to close all its processes. After this, try to install OBS again and you will see that this time you can do it without any error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.